In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders in Google Drive. This simple guide will help you get organized and make the most out of your Google Drive experience. If you're finding it a bit challenging to manage your files, don't worry. These steps will walk you through creating folders with ease. Firstly, let's navigate to Google Drive. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure that you're logged into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your credentials, your email and password, and then click Sign In. Once you're in, you'll see the Google Drive interface, which includes all of your files and folders, if you have any set up already. Now, to create a new folder, look towards the left side of the screen for a plus sign next to the word New. Click on New, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Folder. At this point, a small window will pop up, prompting you to name your folder. It's important to choose a clear, descriptive name that will help you identify the contents at a glance. Once you've typed the name, click Create, and you'll see your new folder appear in the main area of your Google Drive. If you're on a mobile device, the steps are a bit different. Open the Google Drive app on your smartphone or tablet, tap on the plus button at the bottom right of your screen to bring up the Options menu. Here, select Folder, and then enter a name for your folder. Finally, tap Create, and your folder will now be available for you to use on your mobile device. So, why is this important? Well, creating folders is crucial for keeping your Google Drive organized. It allows you to categorize your files, making them easy to find when you need them. You can also create subfolders, which means you can layer your organization even more deeply. For example, if you have a folder called Work Projects, you might have subfolders for each individual project within it. Another useful tip is to make sure you periodically review and clean up your folders to keep them uncluttered. Remember, you can always rename or delete folders as your needs change. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to mastering file organization in Google Drive. Whether you're storing documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or photos, having a structured setup can enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. We hope this guide has been helpful and that you're feeling more confident about organizing your files in Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our great tips in our other videos.